So, this is our new lot. The next
is season 2. Here we go.
Oh, Daniel.
Hitting that Coolio.
Where's your speed? Where's that speed come from?
There we go. Bam. Right. Next round. No more Mr. Nice Dan.
Okay, you can go.
Good. And the slug is dead. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
It was actually, tomorrow is the day that the set gets built for the first time. Guys.
That was amazing. We should work in a laser factory.
Shit!
No! We should not work in a laser factory.
Not work in a jumping factory. Good golfing, Danny.
Casper Lee after he died.
Ground catch up, Phil.
This is my ground.
Ah.
Dan and Phil Games, tweeters, and welcome to...
Yes, Capsule Versace. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You don't know what I mean, do you? Well, Phil, what can I say? I enjoyed that. I also do this.